only thing I can envision, a young woman with the roof down, seats down, legs up,
Now we talking.
on a hill. Oh, my name is Randy Bear. This is my wife's car. Her father bought it 18 years ago from Florida, and he drove it just a little while, and then he passed away, left it to my wife. And it sat in a garage for like 15 years, and then my wife wanted me to get it running so that she could take her mother for a ride in it. I got it running, and she's not, didn't give her a ride. Anyhow, I'd like to sell it uh, so that I don't have to work on it no more. And it runs, and I need to sell it. I did a lot to it. And if you would, give me a call. I got the number on the card. It runs. That's it. Thanks.
Thank you.